This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a calculus exam. First, gather all your course materials, including notes, textbooks, and past assignments. Next, carefully review your syllabus to pinpoint the specific topics that will be covered on the exam. Pay close attention to any indicated weighting or emphasis on certain chapters. Understanding the exam format, such as multiple choice versus free response, will also help you tailor your preparation effectively. Once you know what to study, it's time to practice. Don't just read through solutions, actively work through example problems from your textbook and lecture notes. Try solving a diverse range of practice problems completely on your own before checking your answers. This active recall helps solidify your understanding. If you encounter a difficult concept, revisit its fundamental definitions and theorems to build a strong foundation. To maximize your study time, establish an effective routine. Develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time solely to calculus. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks, perhaps 45 minutes of focused work followed by a 10-minute break, to maintain concentration. Consider forming a study group with classmates. Explaining concepts to others can significantly deepen your own understanding and reveal any gaps in your knowledge. On exam day, ensure you are well prepared beyond just your knowledge. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep the night before to ensure your mind is sharp. Arrive at the exam location early, feeling calm and equipped with all required materials, such as your calculator and pencils. During the exam, read each question carefully and manage your time wisely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.